Today is market day. I want to restock the house with fresh foodstuff. Auntie, how much for one basket? One basket na 2,000 naira. Abeg, select correct one for me. I need pepper wey go make stew sweet. This pepper na correct pepper, very fresh and cheap.
Add extra onions, join them.
No wahala, my sister. Thank you. Come next time. No wahala.
Madam, which rice is this? This one is mango rice. It is the best. Now the correct mango rice be this. Okay, I dey come. Make I check the bin side first. Very clean, no stone. Okay, give me one bag. Where can I buy original palm oil? Yes, they look strong. How much for both?
Madam, everywhere is full today.
I bought plenty because the house is empty.
Load them sharp, sharp.
I dey try. This one heavy.
Finally, we don't reach house.